Hi everyone, I am Ranjan Barman. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn to write your first HTML coding to create a web page. So let's start. The first step is you need Notepad++ software. It is not that is recommended, but you can you can also write your HTML codes in normal Notepad, but Notepad is very basic, so Notepad++ will give you a good experience, good coding experience. So I really recommend to use Notepad++ for Windows machine, and for other operating system you just find your better, just normally text editor in for that give you good experience. That's it. So how to start writing codes, HTML codes to create a web page? So first we will start with doc type HTML. So this will be our first line. We write this why we write this, I will explain it later. So then the next line will be HTML, and then we will close this line HTML. So inside this, whatever we will write, that will develop our web page. So before I start writing codes inside this tag, HTML tag, I want to save the file so that I mean to show you what is why I was talking about using Notepad++. It is a free software. So file, save as, I'm going to save this file on my desktop, and the name of the file will be index.html. The name index is very important, that I will explain later. Whatever you can change the name, you can give any other name, but just remember index is very important name, whether it is a folder or just a file. So you see now the HTML, the color of this HTML tag changed, and now we will write the codes inside HTML tag. So you have to remember that we can categorize the the I mean the whatever we write, we're going to write, we can categorize in two sections. One is head section, and the another section is body section. So whatever we write in the head section, mainly that don't that we cannot see, or that don't affect on the body, on the web page, that we see, that I will show you here. And in the body section, whatever we write, that that will be visible to us when we will open the web page. So in the head section we can give title of the page. So that's why I was talking about Notepad++, because it will help you to write the codes. So the title part, I will write my first page, my first web page, and now we have saved this file, and we are going to open this file, and we will see that what changes have been made. Like, this is the file that we just created. So double click on the file, and wait for it. It's taking a long time. Here it is. Here is the page. So when we double click on this page, this is the file on the desktop. The file name is index.html, and you can see the name written here. So this is the title section of any web page, and if you change the name from here, the name will be changed there. Like, if I remove this option and save it, and when I refresh it, and then you will see that the name has been changed to web page. So our next work will be, we will write something in our body. Okay, let's start with the basic. This is my first web page. So when you saw that in the head section, when we write something, that did not affect on the body part. There is nothing. This is totally blank, and now we have written something inside the body. So let's see what we see now. We are going to refresh this page. So you see here, our what we write inside the body is, that is visible on this page. This is my first web page, and I will show you that how to make some changes. Like, I want this writing to come in the middle of the page, in the center part. So we just write here center and save it, and see the changes. The writing, the sentence came to the middle section of the page. And now, if the word size is very small, and if you want to see it in little larger view, so we will write here h1. So h1 is for the size of the word. So, like, we can select, if we write something in MS Word, we can select the size, any size, 10, 20, 15, whatever size you can select, and the size of the text changes. But here we can only in HTML we can write h1 to h6, like h1 the size is the highest size, h2 is second highest, h3 is the third highest that I will show you. Now I'm going to save it and we'll refresh the page. We have refreshed and you can see this is the highest size, and this size is for the h1 tag. And now I will show you the other sizes. There are 6 sizes available, though we can customize the sizes from CSS, but that I will teach you later. So these are the 6 sizes here, and this is normal sentence. So now save this and refresh it, and you can see the changes. Like this is h1 size, this size is h2, this is h3, and then h4, h5, h6, and this is the normal text that we write. And you can see that by default the h1 font sizes are in bold, but normal text is not in bold format. You can see it closely. So now I will type some text, and I will show you that how some basic changes we can use. Like, I am Ranjan Burman, I am a web designer and blogger. My website is blogger.com. So I write this sentence and save this, and I'm going to refresh this page. So you can see that as there are so many space here, but this just works as a single space, like this one space. So in HTML or HTML, CSS, JavaScript, whatever you write, so you have to write this to separate your lines. That is a break. You can write like this, or you can write like this. This is the two ways we can break a line. And now you can see the effects. So this is the effect that I did. I mean, I have separated the lines, and now I want this thing, these sentences to be in a paragraph. Then I will just simply write p tag, open and close. I mean, my text will be inside the paragraph tag. This is mean paragraph tag, and we will see the change. Now this is like this, and now a little change can be seen, like the distance are, I mean, little distance, that sentence separated in little distance from this line. And if I remove this break option from here, now also the line will be separated, because there are this sentence is in paragraph, and this is the simple sentence. So let's save it and see the result. So you can see nothing has been changed. So when we are using we are writing something in a paragraph, then the paragraph will separate your sentence automatically from the other sentences or images. So this was the basic tutorial about the web page. This is the first and most basic tutorial, and in the other videos we will learn more about creating a web page. So thank you for watching this video.